In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an audience in Mailchimp. Whether you're streamlining your marketing efforts or just doing a bit of housekeeping, knowing how to manage your audiences effectively can be incredibly useful. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Mailchimp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply click on the bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you're not already signed in. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns, audiences, and other critical data. Now that you're on the Mailchimp homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Audience tab. You can find this option in the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Audience will take you to a page where all your audiences are listed. This section is essentially the command center for your contacts and lists, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the audience page, you'll see a list of all the audiences you have created. It's important to carefully look through this list to ensure you know which audience you intend to delete. Deleting an audience is a permanent action, so you don't want to accidentally remove the wrong one. Take a moment to double-check the name and details of the audience you wish to delete. After confirming which audience you want to delete, locate the checkbox next to that audience. Click on this checkbox to select the audience. This action enables additional options for managing your selection. Once you've selected the audience, look for the Delete button. It might be in a drop-down menu or clearly labeled depending on Mailchimp's current interface design. Click on Delete. At this point, Mailchimp will likely prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is an extra step to make sure you really want to go through with deleting the audience. Read the prompts carefully. Confirming this action will remove all the contacts within the audience, as well as any data associated with it. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an audience in Mailchimp. Remember, when managing your marketing efforts, it's always good practice to keep your contact lists organized and up to date. Deleting old or unnecessary audiences can help you stay focused and improve your overall email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in assisting you to efficiently manage your Mailchimp account.